Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Stay tuned because today I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to make chicken. And both of these recipes can be made in less than an hour. So the first recipe is 3-ingredient cranberry chicken. And the second recipe is roasted spiced chicken. And just before diving into these 2 recipes, I just wanted to let you know that my cookbooks are available on Amazon, and I have provided a quick link in the description below this video. First up is the cranberry chicken. A special shout out goes to a friend, Alan, who shared this recipe with me. For easier cleanup, let's start by putting parchment paper on a cookie sheet. This is so easy that you only need a large mixing bowl and 3 simple ingredients. And we'll start with 348 ml can of cranberry sauce. That's the one with the whole berries in it. Place that into the mixing bowl. Then add 1 package of onion soup mix. Today I'm using French salad dressing and I'll use 1 cup of that. Apparently you can use Catalina or you can use Thousand Island dressing. Anyway, today it's French, so let's go with this. And we're going to prepare about 3 large chicken breasts. Use a sharp knife to cut the chicken breasts into chunks. And you can cut them into whatever size chunks you like. If you cut them into smaller pieces, you tend to get a little bit more flavor on each piece. And throw all this chicken into your sauce that you've made up. Give it a good stir, make sure that they're all coated really well, and simply plop them onto a prepared cookie sheet. How easy is that? Now place your chicken in a preheated 350-degree oven and bake these for somewhere between 50 to 60 minutes. And while this was baking in the oven, you can get your potatoes and your vegetable ready so that you'll have a complete meal in less than an hour. I don't think that it gets much easier than this, really, for those busy weekdays when you come home and you're wondering what to put on the table quickly. So enjoy! Now for some tender roasted spiced chicken. Even though this recipe has a few more ingredients, it's still very quick and easy. To mix up the spices, start with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and 2 teaspoons of oregano, and roughly 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it together until it's well combined. Tenderize 4 large chicken breasts by pounding them down till they're about a 1/2 inch thick. So you'll go ahead and coat each piece with extra virgin olive oil. Make sure that it's smoothed out over the top so that the spices will stick to it. Spoon some spice on the top of each of them and pat it down. Take each piece, turn it over, and place it onto some parchment paper on a cookie sheet. And do the same thing all over again. Place a little olive oil on it and some spice. And one last spice I added over the top was just a little sprinkle of basil. Now simply take these and slap them in a preheated 425 degrees Fahrenheit oven. Now it depends how well you like it cooked, but it could be ready as early as 25 minutes. Meanwhile, you're going to cook some potatoes and some vegetables to go with it. I add a couple of cloves of garlic to my potatoes because I want to make garlic potatoes today, so I cook it right in with the potatoes. It just so happens peas and carrots are the vegetable of choice for today. Once the potatoes are fully cooked, add a lump of butter and some garlic powder. continue to mash them until they're nice and smooth. And I sometimes use a hand mixer for this. Okay, so take a look at this chicken. Go ahead and get this on the plate. And so what do you think? Pretty quick and easy as well, right? So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and that you will like and subscribe, and please leave comments in the comments section. It helps to promote this channel. I appreciate your watching it until the end, and until next time, happy eating!